Hello and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a Sea Ray 230 Sun Deck. This boat is powered by a Mercury 250 horsepower Verado. The engine is white, which adds a lot of sharp contrast to the rest of the hull, having black and white color graphics. This boat is a really spectacular sports boat. This bar does it all. It says it all as well. It's a sharp-looking piece of equipment on the boat, enabling the family to have a lot of fun with water sports. The layout of the boat in the interior is wide open and seats a number of people comfortably. There's a table that sets forth in the main area here. The seats actually articulate back and forth for further sun tanning. The helm seat turns around so you can face your friends up forward. You have a whole nother separate seating area with a stereo system. There are ports throughout the boat for you to be able to charge your phones, listen to music all day. Navigation is provided by a 9-inch Simrad screen. So please give us a call. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut, 860-399-5581. We look forward to seeing you and getting you aboard this great boat. Thanks for watching.